Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can delete medical ID on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Health. Next, tap on Medical ID, then tap on Edit. Now scroll down to the bottom, and in here tap on Delete Medical ID, then from the pop-up tap on Delete Medical ID again. And that's it. So now your record has been removed. If you want to use your medical ID, you need to create a new one. And that's it. So once you create a new one, you can put in all your medical details in here again. And you can add in your emergency contacts. And that's it. So that is how you can that is how you can delete a medical ID. And if you want to add in a new medical record, you can do so. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.